Hi everyone, my name is Saransh, and in this series of the next 10 videos, I'll cover how you can make a sturdy action figure like this one using just plain cotton thread. Now this is very different from making dolls with crochet because these are structurally very solid action figures with specific joints, much like the plastic ones that you can buy. It can even stand all by itself, and there are absolutely no wires or supports inside the thread. The complete structure is supported by layers of thread only. And since this is completely made of cotton thread, there are no toxic or harmful materials involved. And it also means that if the toys break down, they can be repaired multiple times over. This technique can be used for making toys for kids or even teaching them how to make their own. So if you're looking for a new arts and crafts hobby for yourself, or if you'd like to make action figures of your own fictional characters, then this is definitely the course for you. Given the complexity of the course, I would recommend this tutorial for anyone above 10 years of age. The raw material that you'll need here is a spool of cotton thread, like the ones that I've lined up over here. This thread is roughly a millimeter thick because anything thinner than that can break very easily or it can cause paper cuts. You can use as many colors as you like for your design. You'll also need a pair of scissors for cutting thread, of course. The glue is completely optional. You can use it for improving the design or for making the finishing touches, but the entire structure is only based on thread and you won't need a lot of glue. In this tutorial, we'll be making a humanoid or a human-like action figure like the one I'm holding over here, and it'll have individual limbs and body parts which you can then build over. Once you have a basic structure, you can then add more design aspects based on your own imagination to build your own fantasy character. To make sure that we get the body proportions right, we'll start with a forearm, just this bit, using the thread, and use the size of that forearm as a reference for the size of the rest of the body parts of your action figure.